Hello my friends, you are asking me all the time if it's possible to throw with a Balisong. I think it's really bad idea, but let's get started. First I will try no spin technique from about 3 meters. Let's see how long it will survive. Oh my god guys, look at that! I broke it after first attempt. I told you that was a bad idea. But let's see if we can still throw it. And that one stuck pretty deep. Alright, no problem with no spin, even if I broke it. But now, let's try half spin, if it's possible, only with this one handle. Wow, pretty nice half spin guys. Now let's see if I can make a full spin. I'm pretty surprised guys. Again, 2 full spins on the first attempt in row. But now I think I will fix it with a duct tape. And let's make a few more throws. And here is my upgrade version guys. But don't forget, to throw sharp knives is very dangerous, especially if you are a beginner. So thinking about it twice. But now, let's try same techniques like before. So no spin first. Now half spin. And of course, a full spin rotation. Guys, the upgrade with the duct tape actually worked pretty great. And if I would done that in the first place, maybe this knife would be protected. Because as you can see, the tip is totally fine. But I really don't recommend to try to throw it anyway. And for today, that's it. So, thank you all for watching. Share, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.